Chimney sweep companies lose a lot of time when scheduling, routing, and follow-ups are handled through calls, texts, and scattered notes instead of one system built for field service work. By the end of this, you'll know what software actually works for chimney sweep businesses, which features matter most, and how to choose a system based on how you schedule seasonal jobs, manage repeat customers, and handle on-site service work. Most chimney sweep businesses don't need complicated software. They need scheduling, customer tracking, route planning, and simple invoicing that works fast after each job. Field service software is the category that fits this best because it's built for mobile technicians who move from job to job and need updates in real time. Scheduling is the first key feature. The right software lets you book jobs quickly, assign them to technicians, and adjust schedules without rewriting everything manually. Route planning matters a lot in chimney sweep work, because jobs are usually spread across neighborhoods or seasonal service areas. Good software helps group nearby jobs so travel time is reduced. Customer management is another core feature. Chimney sweep businesses often rely on repeat work, so you need a system that stores service history, past visits, and notes like chimney condition or cleaning frequency. Automated reminders also help, because many customers only need chimney cleaning once or twice a year. Software that sends reminders helps bring those customers back without manual follow-up. Invoicing is another important piece. The best systems let technicians send invoices immediately after completing a job, which reduces delays in getting paid. Mobile access is essential because technicians need to see job details, update status, and capture customer signatures directly at the property. Some platforms also include recurring job scheduling, which is useful for seasonal maintenance plans or annual chimney inspections. When comparing options, the main difference is usually between simple scheduling tools and full field service platforms. Simpler tools are easier to use but offer fewer automation features. Full platforms add more control over dispatching, routing, and customer communication. The right choice depends on your business size. Smaller chimney sweep companies often do well with lightweight scheduling and invoicing tools. Larger teams benefit more from advanced dispatching and route optimization features. A practical next step is to look at how many repeat customers you manage each year. If a large portion of your business comes from seasonal or annual cleanings, customer reminders and automated scheduling become much more important. If this helped you narrow things down, like the video and subscribe for more clear breakdowns of service business software and tools.